Are you looking for ways to get your body's nutrients without worrying about counting calories? Feeling guilty about indulging in unhealthy snacks and meals can take away from the joy of eating. So it's time to make healthy choices that will benefit your body and your state of mind. Even if you think healthy eating means being restrictive and boring, plenty of delicious and satisfying choices will help you get the essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients your body needs. Start your day with a smoothie. If you're looking for an easy way to get vitamins and minerals without worrying about calories, start your morning with a smoothie. Smoothies can be loaded with fruits, nuts, and seeds that contain plenty of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients. Try combining different fruits, seeds, and nut butters to create a nutritious breakfast or snack. Incorporate fermented foods into your diet. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, kombucha, and miso are packed with helpful bacteria and beneficial enzymes. These beneficial bugs can help promote a healthy digestive system and offer numerous health benefits. Try adding a few tablespoons of fermented foods to your salads or stir fries for a nutrient-packed meal. Eat a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Eating plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables is one of the best ways to get all the micronutrients your body needs. Different types of produce have different phytonutrients and plant compounds that can help support a healthy immune system and overall health. Try to incorporate plenty of fresh fruits and veggies into your diet every day. Choose whole grains instead of reaching for refined grains. Opt for whole grains, which are packed with fiber, B vitamins, and other essential nutrients. Many whole grains are incredibly versatile, with a nutty flavor that pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes. Try adding cooked quinoa, amaranth, or millet to salads or grain bowls. Include healthy fats. Healthy fats are an essential part of a balanced diet and can provide your body with several essential nutrients. For example, olive oil, avocado, and nuts are good sources of monounsaturated fats that can help keep your heart healthy. Try adding a few tablespoons of healthy fat to recipes or salads for an added nutritional boost. Nuts. Nuts are a great way to get minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron. Nuts are also a good source of healthy fats and protein. If you're looking for a snack to get you through the day, try a handful of almonds.